Welcome back, friend. You're watching Dhara's Infotech. Today we discuss on these 3 points: uniform electric field, non-uniform electric field, and then how the practical way of calculating electric field. Okay, so let's start with the first point, that is uniform electric field. So uniform means what? Same. Okay, so in a uniform electric field, the magnitude and the direction of electric field is same. Okay, here suppose we are having two plates, A and B, A having the positive and B is a negative. Okay, means in between these two plates, if the direction of the electric field is same, at the same time here the magnitude and direction is the same, means what? Uniform electric field. So the definition of uniform electric field is what? The magnitude and direction of the electric field is same, that is called uniform electric field. Okay, suppose here we are having two plates. These two plates having the direction, same direction of the flowing of the electric field. Here you see the direction is same at the both time, at any place. Okay, that at any place the direction will be same and magnitude also same. Clear? Then next is what? We are dealing with non-uniform electric field. In a non-uniform electric field, the magnitude will be same but direction is not same. For example, here we are having the electric field like this. Here the magnitude of the all electric line of force is equal but the direction is not same. Here they are scattering every side of this point charge. Suppose this is the center point. Here you can see here the all directions are different, that is called non-uniform electric field. Here the magnitude will be same but the direction is completely different. Okay, these are the two diagrams which help you to understand. First is uniform electric field and second is what? Non-uniform electric field. Okay, the next we'll discuss about what? Practical way of calculating electric field. Suppose here we are taking the example, this example we continue. Suppose I am having two plates A and B. I am having two plates A and B. So here B is the distance between them. Plate A have a positive and plate B is a negative. Now here somewhere I am having the positive Q charge. If this positive charge is moved toward the A, then we will get the work done is complete. Why? Because of here inside of the A there is the positive charge already and we are having this positive charge in between that plate. If we move the charge Q was toward the A, then we will get repulsive force. If we move the charge towards the B, then we will get attractive force. Why? Because of here this charge having the positive and the plate B having the charge is negative, and as we know very well, the opposite charges are attract each other. Here we are having some numerical properties to understand it, the practical way of calculating this. Okay, so here we are having the numerical properties to calculating the electric field. And here, as we know, when the charge is moved towards the A, then we will get work done, that is what? F into D. F means what? The force of repulsion, and D means what? The separation between them. Okay, now here the potential difference means V. The potential difference between two plates is given by W is equals to VQ. Okay, but we have the value of W is what? W is equals FD. It means what? It means what? W is equal VQ is equal what? FD. VQ is equals to what? FD. Now from this equation, we are able to understand here the work done is equals to what? Potential difference between two plates into a charge is equals to what? Force with respect to the distance between them. Now here, therefore we can say VQ is equals to FD on the base of W is equals to what? Potential difference into charge, but W work done is equals to what? FD. That is already given here. That is the standard value. Now next is what? Therefore this F upon Q. Okay. Now here this is what? F upon Q. We move the here F upon Q is equals to what? Now here suppose we are taking the F from the right hand side and Q from the left hand side, then the equation becomes what? F upon Q. Okay, F upon Q. Now here from the left hand side we put V upon what? D. V upon D. Now the equation is become equal. Force upon charge, which is equals to potential difference upon distance between them, or a separation between them, these two charges, which is equals to what? Which is equals to what? Electric field. Yes, electric field between these two charges. Okay, therefore electric field can be defined as therefore now suppose we are writing here, therefore yes, electric field can be defined as, yes, what is our last equation? We can define the electric field can be defined as, yes, electric field is equals to what? V upon D. Okay, V upon D. This is our required value. Now we can say this is, yes, this is a common definition used to define electric field. Okay, this is common equation or common definition to define the electric field. It's very simple to understand a practical way of the electric field. Here we know these are the two plates we are having, A and B. They are separated with the help of D. Inside of these two plates we are placing a charge Q. If our charge Q moves towards the A, then we will get repulsive force. That is, work is done. W is equals to what? F into D. F into D. Okay, but as per the given value we are having W is equals to what? V into Q. This is what? Q, small q, V into Q. So V means what? Potential difference into charge, that is this Q. But we are having W is equals to what? FD. So we can write W is equals to VQ is equals to FD. Therefore F upon Q is equals to what? V upon D. V upon D. That is equals to what? Electric field. So therefore we can also say electric field can be defined as E is equals to what? V upon D. Potential difference upon separation between these two plates, that is our D. Okay. Then we will take an example to solve this equation. Here I am writing very fast due to the less space. Okay. So here we are having the problem, that is what I am reading it. Listen carefully. Gap between two electrodes of the spark plug. Okay, which is used in our automobile engine. Here, this is the given value. That is what? The distance between spark plug. That is what? 1.25 mm. Okay. If the potential of 20 volt, okay, between them is applied across the gap, what will be the magnitude of electric field between electrodes? So we can easily calculate this. Why? Because of we are having the formula, that is what electric field is equals to what? Potential difference upon what? Separation or distance between them. Now here we are having the formula, that is what? E is equals to V upon D. Okay, just put the value of V and D, which is already given in our problem. That is what? This is the value of D, means distance, and here we are having the value of V. Now here, suppose V is what? 20 volt, and here the distance between them, that is what? 1.25 mm. So we convert this mm, 125 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now just solve it. So here we can solve it with the help of moving this. Okay, yeah. So here we can multiply this 10 raised to 3. It becomes positive when move this denominator to numerator. Now here this 20 divided by 1.25. So instead of 125 we make it 125. Just put the 2 extra 0 here. Now this 20 becomes 2000. Okay. Now 125 ones are 125. So 200 minus 125. Then we are having the remainder is what? 75. 75 and this 0, it becomes 750. So 125 6 125 6 is what? 700 and what? 25. Okay, so we are having again reminder the value. This thing is continuously going on. Okay, so we need just this value. So here our value is what? 16 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3. Okay, if I want to reduce this value, or want to write this 16 instead of 16 1.6, then here the value will be increased with 1, that is what? 1.6 into 10 raised to 4. And we are calculating what? Yes, we are calculating. We will be across the gap what will be the magnitude of electric field between electrode. So the magnitude is what? 1.6 into 10 raised to 4. Okay, this is our final value that we are calculated here with the help of given formula, and here finally we got the value, that is what? 1.6 into 10 raised to 4. So the unit of this value is what? Here the unit of volt is what? V, and here the unit of distance is what? M. So we can say here volt per meter. Okay, so this is what? 1.6 into 10 raised to 4 volt per meter. This is the final value that we want. Okay, so this is it. If you have any query regarding this lecture, then please comment me on comment section. I will try to resolve your query. Thank you. Bye bye.